Shreeram, the surprising video presented to you. You watch in the video that crocodile has opened his mouth and a little bird is cleaning the mouth of the crocodile. Do you know what is the name of the bird? That in Egyptian plover bird. Egyptian plover bird enters into the mouth of the crocodile and cleans it very neatly. And crocodile welcomes the act of the bird. That bird belongs to Egyptian flower bird. The crocodile welcomes it, allows it to enter into his mouth and clean the small pieces of meat which were attached to the root of the teeth and which were making difficulty for the crocodile. A bird sitting into the mouth of the crocodile can be eaten by the crocodile very much easily, but crocodile gives the guarantee that no one can harm you, and this friendship is continued. This is called symbiosis. Bird enters into the mouth, cleans the small pieces of meat from its teeth, and get satisfied. The small pieces of the meat is taken as the food of the bird and it is removed from the teeth of the crocodile, so crocodile becomes healthy and feels good. This is a symbiosis. Symbiosis means benefit to each other, and crocodile welcomes this act of the bird. Dear friend, I am putting the videos repeatedly to you about the animals, their behavior, and information is gathered by me is reached to you by this video.